Here's some interesting facts about incarceration in America. From 1980 to 2008, the number of people incarcerated in America quadrupled from roughly 500,000 to 2.3 million. Today, the U.S. is 5% of the world's population, but 25% of world prisoners. Combining the number of people in prison and jail with those under parole or probation supervision, 1 in every 31 adults, or 3.2% of the population, 3.2% is under some form of correctional control. It's even worse for minorities. African Americans now constitute nearly 1 million of the 2.3 million incarcerated population. African Americans are incarcerated at nearly 6 times the rate of whites. Together, African Americans and Hispanics comprise 58% of the total prison population, although they only comprise 25% of the total American population. You think it's time for the church to get involved? I do. I'm Kevin Brown, Associate Professor of Social Work here at NOBTS. After spending most of my career serving as an urban missionary, helping to change the lives of at-risk inner-city residents, the Lord called me to teach others what I know. And one of the things I know is that the church needs to wake up to the reality of urban crime and its causes if we're going to stay relevant in the 21st century. People aren't born criminals. Crime is not inevitable for those born into poverty, for those born into substance abuse, for those born into the ghetto. It's learned, and because it's learned, it can be prevented. Jesus said, "I was hungry, and you gave me something to eat. I was thirsty, and you gave me something to drink. I was a stranger, and you invited me in. I needed clothes, and you clothed me. I was sick, and you looked after me. I was in prison, and you visited me. Truly, I tell you, whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers and sisters of mine, you did for me." What can we do? Incarceration isn't the result of crime. It's the culmination of many choices over many years. Those who understand this can make a tremendous difference. That's why we at the Department of Church and Community Ministries here at NOBTS offer a course in juvenile delinquency. We want to provide you with an opportunity to understand where crime begins, why it happens, and what we, the body of Christ, can do to make a difference. Keep your eyes open this summer for CCSW 6363, Juvenile Delinquency. It's only offered once a year, and you won't want to miss this exciting course. Here's what I'll bring to the course. Years of experience with urban at-risk youth, but I've also seen the successes too. As a chaplain with the New Orleans Hornets, the NBA franchise, I saw some inner-city kids that accomplished amazing things. You'll be bringing an eager desire to learn. You'll be bringing a desire to see change in the lives of those at risk, and you'll be bringing a desire to see the church move into a new phase of taking seriously the risks that our society is facing. Together, we'll create a classroom environment that will be enriching, be fun, and it'll do more than just dispense information. It will change lives. I look forward to seeing you this summer in CCSW 6363, Social Work with Juvenile Delinquents. God bless. Bye-bye.